Let's step through the installation for your new 3-way smart switch or dimmer. It's a simple process that only requires access to your breaker box and a screwdriver. First, consult your user manual. Read the instructions carefully and contact an electrician if you are unsure about any step in the process. Before working on your existing switch, locate your breaker box and make sure to turn off the power at the circuit breaker. You can now begin to remove your existing switch by unscrewing the small screws on the faceplate. Then remove the faceplate. Unscrew the mounting screws at the top and the bottom of the existing switch and gently pull it out from the wall to reveal the wires. Take a moment to identify the wires. If any of the wires in your home don't match what is described in this video or in the user manual, stop your work and contact a licensed electrician. If your existing electrical box does not include white neutral wires, you will need to contact an electrician to have them installed. There should be 2 black wires in your existing electrical box. You'll want to first locate and label the black line wire attached to the black screw on your existing switch. Next, fully disconnect your old switch by unscrewing the screws that attach the wires. Begin the installation of your new switch by connecting the green wire from your switch to the ground wire from the electrical box. The ground wire will either be green or bare copper wire. Continue with the red wires. Now connect the brown traveler wire with the black wire from the box. Then connect the black wire on your switch to the black line wire that you identified from the box. Then connect the neutral white wires. Finally, push your new switch into the wall and attach by screwing in the mounting screws. Now we will show you how to set up your new smart home switch with your Alexa app. First, you'll want to make sure your switch is powered on. Leave the faceplate uninstalled and turn on your breaker. When the single light at the bottom of the switch blinks green, you're ready to set it up with Alexa. On your mobile device, download the latest version of the Alexa app. Make sure you have Bluetooth enabled on your mobile device in your settings. When you have confirmed that you have the most recent version, open the app and tap the Devices tab on the bottom right of the screen. Then tap the plus icon on the upper right-hand corner. Continue by tapping Add a Device. Then select Switch, Amazon Basics, and select your corresponding product. Then follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted by the app, simply scan the 2D barcode on the front of your device or on the back of the Quick Start Guide. In just a moment, your device should be connected with Alexa, so you can start enjoying hands-free and remote control of your lighting. Now screw in the new switch plate on top of the switch. Snap on the faceplate and you're good to go. Here are a couple troubleshooting tips just in case you need to try your connection again. If you don't have a barcode or setup with barcode failed, try user-guided setup. Select Don't have a barcode. Then press and hold the power button of your switch until the LED on the front blinks green and red. Press Next to continue your setup. If a switch shows a red indicator, stops working, or cannot connect, try a factory reset following instructions in the Quick Start Guide or user manual. Press and hold the power button of your switch for 10 seconds. Hold the switch until you see the LED indicator blinks green and red alternatively. The status indicator blinks green when reset is complete. Then set up the device again.